Hello everybody, welcome to another stock recap. Today we're actually going to go over a charting session, I guess, for SPY ETF and the IWM ETF. So for these two indices, we're going to be starting out at the daily chart. Now these are going to be two very similar charts. As you can see, they're almost identical, same exact, right? Now, if we start off with the SPY, because SPY is the most popular one, we noticed that we did get an immense amount of buying power, or a lot of like buying pressure coming in the last hour of the day. So we could see like we bounced on this daily level of 426.05, and as you can see, it acted as resistance in the previous sessions back here, all the way in the 7th of June, right? So like over here in like the 7th of June, we're touching these 426.05 areas and we were just rejecting. Once we broke above, we got that massive run to the upside. Now with this bullish candle here, this like it just to the percent almost, we got like one of the highest amount of volumes daily. So I'm expecting a big push on this tomorrow. If we are right, I don't see why not we don't retest 429 tomorrow. If things go like how I think they are gonna go, it's most likely gonna have it happen pre-market. We're gonna get, you know, that test, break above, maybe even like we'll probably break above, close under or open under this level of 429.55. And then probably I will be looking to go long if we retest the 425.61 level. If I do see that like on the hourly or on the 15 just kind of getting respected, I'll take longs and hopefully aim for like, you know, somewhere in between like the 50% from here to this next area of resistance. So we're looking around like 428 or so, 427. That's where I'll be looking to take profits. Or watch for potential puts as well, depending on how the sentiment is tomorrow. Now, if we look over here on IWM, it's the same concept. Here it's a lot clearer. If we take this line off, we can see that we have this large area of consolidation, right? Box it out. So we have this area that shows just a bunch of like accumulation, right? Now, we had IWM consolidating for a really long time, probably, let's see, almost 3 months of just bouncing back and forth in this level. Now that we've broken above and almost, you know, um, completed that head and shoulders move, I think that now that we're back into this accumulation area, I mean, the signal's here. So like once we have entered it, we've got this giant buying volume, right? We haven't seen volume like that since we got the initial move down here. So I'm assuming here at this 174.94 area that is going to be a very, well, relatively safe area to buy. So where I am expecting tomorrow is the same thing. I expect to break above, break under at open, and potentially get buys off this 174 area. I am not going to be expecting it to go down to the cent. It all depends on how it is during pre-market and at open. If I notice that these like volume candles are high and all these buyers are stepping in, then I'll be more than happy to oblige and get some calls as well. Otherwise, I'm gonna let if the volume is relatively weak at open, I'm just not gonna play anything. I'm gonna wait until probably an hour or two after market opens. I don't want to get caught in any sudden move down and then break below and then continue downwards. I don't want to get caught in that, so I'm just gonna let volume do the talking for me. But this is where I expect for tomorrow. I think that's pretty much it. So if anything, I will make another video and see how the recap happened tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Bye.